Now we start with a new topic known as compound microscope. This is the part of optical instrument. We have two optical instruments in our syllabus. Number one is compound microscope and the another one is telescope. Here we start a topic compound microscope. Compound microscope is an optical device which is used to magnify the image of tiny object. It can magnify an object 1000 times. Construction. It contains two convex lenses, one of short focal length known as objective lens, another of large focal length known as eyepiece. I start the topic with the working of a compound microscope. The first heading is magnifying power. Magnifying power. It is the ratio of the angle It is the ratio of the angle subtended at the eye by the final image, which is virtual in nature, to the angle subtended at the eye by the object when both lies at the least distance of distinct vision from the eye. Least distance of distinct vision is the minimum distance up to which an eye can see the object clearly. For normal eye, its value is 25 centimeter. 25 centimeter. In working, we have two cases. Case number one, object lies at least distance of distinct vision. Lies at least distance of distinct vision. Now we draw a ray diagram For the ray diagram, this is the principal axis. This is the objective lens. An object is placed in front of objective lens. A straight line travel parallel to the principal axis from the objective and pass through its focus. This is the image formed by the lens. Now, we assume the final image is formed over here. This is an object AB whose image A dash B dash is formed. A dash B dash acts as an object for the second lens L2 known as eye lens. This is an eye lens, this is objective lens. Eye lens. When we meet these rays in backward direction, then final image A dash B double dash forms. We make a construction of the same size as the object is, and this line we join with O2. The focus of this lens is here. This is known as FE, and this point is the focus FO. The distance, this is known as UO. For its image VO, this is UE, and this is VE. We assume both object and final image lie on the same plane. Lies on the same plane. It is clear now? Now by definition of magnifying power, this is the angle alpha formed by the object. This is the angle beta formed by the image. By the definition of magnifying power, it is the angle subtended by the image to the angle subtended by the object when both lies on the same place at least distance of distinct vision. For a small angle m is equal to tan beta upon tan alpha.